Hi friends, Tracy.bish here, Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Australia. Welcome to my channel. I'm super excited to be sharing with you a new offering I have each month for any of my customers who shop with me in the month. Not only will you still receive the Simple Sweet Stampers tutorial for any size order, but anyone who purchases $50 or more in my online store before shipping is also going to receive a free card kit. These are the paper pumpkin kits that I've ordered from America, and you get to share these with me. So this one is the Sending Hearts kit. It's from January 2021, that's for February, and you'll receive one card kit in the mail. We are going to have an exclusive Facebook group where we're going to create together the cards and have a little bit of fun. So hopefully this really interests you and you would like to join in. Paper Pumpkin's actually only available in the US and in Canada, so it's going to be fun. So hopefully you'll come in and join me. Don't forget, $50 or more in my online store. There is a link in the description of this video, so go and check that out. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I look forward to spending a bit of time with you putting the Sending Hearts kit together. Alright everyone, bye!